Hey guys, you're looking at another new arrival at Car City Inc. in Palatine. This is 2011 Toyota Sienna Limited with 126,000 miles on it. Very nice looking minivan in great shape. It's got clean CARFAX report, no accidents. Very nice color combination. It's like a burgundy exterior over gray leather interior. Parking sensors front and back, tinted windows, roof rack. Alloy wheels, nice tires. It runs and drives great, very well kept and maintained. As I said, with the clean CARFAX, with the fog lamps, HID headlights. It is fully loaded inside. Let's take a peek on it. We have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, JBL premium sound system, power memory seats, leather seats. They're heated seats, nice and clean, non-smoking, no odors inside, with the Bluetooth, with the traction control. We have 126,000 miles on the dash, no warning lights on. Beautiful, nice and clean dashboard with navigation, with the rear view camera, automatic transmission, automatic climate control, heated seats. We got extra keys. Beautiful, nice, clean and reliable 2011 Toyota Sienna Limited. Clean headliner with two sunroofs, power sliding doors. As you see, everything works perfectly fine on it. It's got power lift gate, captain chairs in the middle, nice and clean. And you got your DVD for your family, for your kids, watch movies while you guys are driving. As I said, double sunroofs, nice and clean. And third row seating. And third row seating is a power seats, so you can just fold them down, make it like stow and go with a few buttons. Nice, clean, reliable. It's been detailed. If you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful 2011 Toyota Sienna Limited, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Alloy wheels. Let me just open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. It's got V6 3.5 liter engine. Nice and clean under the hood as well. So if you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful 2011 Toyota Sienna Limited, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Or if you'd like to do credit application, please visit our website again, carcitychicago.com. Or simply stop by and take this beautiful Sienna for test drive. Our address is 2232 North Rand Road, Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a great day.